Understanding in Broad Strokes. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, in broad strokes. This phrase is a gem in the English language, often used to paint the big picture or outline the general ideas of a subject. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and how it can enhance your English communication skills. Stay tuned to master this expression. In broad strokes refers to describing or explaining something in a very general and simplified manner, without focusing on the finer details. Imagine an artist painting a landscape. Instead of getting caught up in every leaf and blade of grass, they start with broad, sweeping strokes to capture the overall scene. Similarly, when we use this phrase in language, we're focusing on the big picture, not the minute details. This section will guide you through how to incorporate in broad strokes into your everyday conversations and writing. It's particularly useful in scenarios where you want to give a quick overview or summary without delving into every specific aspect. In conversations, when someone asks you about a complex topic, and you only want to give them a general idea. For example, in broad strokes, the book is about the challenges of growing up in a digital world. In presentations, to set the stage for a deeper discussion, before diving into details, you might say, "Let me outline our project plan in broad strokes before we tackle each section." Adopting phrases like, in broad strokes, can significantly enhance your English by making your language more vivid and expressive. It signals that you are providing an overview or a summary, setting the right expectations for your audience. Plus, it's a great tool for managing time and focus during discussions or presentations. Here are a few tips to get comfortable with it. Practice. Try summarizing a recent movie or book you've encountered using in broad strokes to a friend. Listen. Pay attention to how speakers in podcasts, interviews, or news segments summarize complex topics. Write. Incorporate the phrase in your emails or writings when providing summaries or general overviews. Congratulations on adding in broad strokes to your English linguistic toolkit. Remember, mastering a language is all about understanding the nuances of its phrases and expressions. We hope this video has broadened your horizons and helped you grasp the essence of painting your conversations with broad strokes. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.